Are you looking to boost your income with a side hustle but don't know where to start? Whether you are saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra cash in your pocket, we have got you covered. In this guide, we will explore the best side hustles perfect for complete beginners. From leveraging your existing skills to discovering new passions, these opportunities are designed to be flexible, accessible, and rewarding. Let's dive into the world of side hustles and find the perfect match for you. Freelance writing. Freelance writing involves creating content such as articles, blog posts, web copy, and more for various clients. Beginners can start by writing for content mills or job boards, gradually building a portfolio to attract higher paying clients. Earnings can range from zero point 0.0 cents to zero point 0.010 per board, depending on the complexity of the work and the writer's experience. Essential skills include strong writing abilities, good grammar, and the ability to research topics thoroughly. Writers also need a computer and a stable internet connection to submit their work and communicate with clients. Online tutoring. Online tutoring allows individuals to teach subjects or skills to students over the internet. This can range from academic subjects like maths and science to languages or even music lessons. Platforms like VIP Kid, Check Tutors, and Wizen connect tutors with students. Tutors typically earn between $10 to $30 per hour. To succeed, tutors should have expertise in their subject area, patience, and good communication skills. A reliable internet connection and a computer with a webcam are necessary for conducting sessions. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses or individuals remotely. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, and more. The demand for VAs is growing as more businesses move online. Earnings range from $10 to $25 per hour, depending on the tasks and the VA's experience. Key skills include organizational abilities, attention to detail, and proficiency with office softwares like Microsoft Office or Google's Workspace. A computer and an internet connection are essential for performing the job. Selling handmade goods. This side hustle involves creating and selling handmade items such as jewelry, crafts, or home decor on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or local markets. These potential earnings vary greatly based on the uniqueness and quality of the products, the pricing strategy, and the marketing efforts. Beginners need crafting skills, creativity, and an understanding of the market demand. Additionally, they need to source materials and manage an online store, which requires internet access and a basic e-commerce knowledge. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where the seller markets products but does not keep them in the stock. Instead, when an order is placed, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This reduces the risk and cost associated with the holding inventory. Potential earnings vary depending on the niche, marketing effectiveness, and product pricing. Beginners need a basic e-commerce knowledge, an online store, and skills in digital marketing and e-commerce customer service. Print on demand. Print on demand allows individuals to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, which are then printed and shipped by a POD company only when an order is placed. This model minimizes upfront costs and inventory risks. Earnings depend on the product pricing and sales volume. Skills in graphic design are beneficial, as is a familiarity with the design software like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Additionally, an internet connection is required to manage the online store and design uploads. Social media management. Social media managers handle the social media accounts of businesses or individuals, creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics. This side hustle is ideal for those who are savvy with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Earnings can range from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the scope of work and the client's budget. Essential skills include content creation, copywriting, and knowledge of social media algorithms. A computer and internet connections are necessary for managing accounts and interacting with followers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services online and earning a commission for sales generated through your referral links. This can be done through blogs, social media, or dedicated affiliate websites. Earnings vary widely based on the product niche and the marketer's ability to drive traffic and conversions. Essential skills include digital marketing, content creation, and SEO. An internet connection and access to affiliate
Bem, tempo está
programs
14,
like
acho eu.
Amazon Associates are necessary to get started.
Também vai gravando os monitores.
Graphic design. Graphic designers create visuals for businesses, websites, or individuals. This can include logos, banners, social media posts, and more. Freelance graphic designers can earn between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on their experience and the complexity of the project. Key skills include proficiency with design softwares like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, creativity, and an understanding of the design principles. A computer capable of running design softwares and an internet connection for communication with clients and delivering works are essential. Content creation. Creating and monetizing videos on YouTube involves producing content that attracts viewers and generates ad revenue, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. This side hustle can be highly lucrative, but earnings may vary widely based on the number of views, audience engagement, and niche. Beginners need video production skills, including filming, editing, and storytelling. A good camera, microphone, and video editing softwares are essential. Consistency and the ability to engage with an audience are crucial for growing a successful YouTube channel. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? These side hustles offer the flexibility, variety, and potential earnings you need to start making extra income today. Whether you choose to freelance, write, manage social media, or even start a YouTube channel, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and earn on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Start your side hustle journey and now watch your financial dreams becomes a reality. Until next time, stay motivated and stay connected. Thanks.